Alright, got a little bit further on the C10. Got the firewall cleaned up, everything out, steering column out, master cylinder out, heater box out, all the linkage for the windshield wipers, glass out. Again, steering column, glove box, everything out. Ready to start blasting. Got all that nasty insulation out. So they can get it cleaned up real good. Eventually want to get these plates out right here. They're kind of spot welded in. So see how I can cut those spot welds without hurting that outer sheet metal. But getting closer to getting some color put on it one day, I hope. And take all that junk down to the storage till I need it.